Hi, this is Roger from Hobart Food Equipment, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to clean your dishwasher. Once you've reached the end of the day, you have pressed and held and counted to 5, your machine has pumped out, self-rinsed and turned off. After this, we open our machine. As you can see inside, we have the support grid and the wash arms. This machine shows a cross blade. Your machine will be a straight wash arm. We remove our support grid and we wipe down the machine, paying particular attention to the edges where the bench meets the machine. Always wipe down your machine using a soft cloth and no sharp or abrasive items. Other items to pay attention to are the back of the wash arms and internally the back of this manifold. Also, here on the inside of the hood there is a small gutter. Remove your strainer pan and wash down in the sink. Do not bang. Remove your Genius X filter and wash down in the sink as well. Food waste can gather through the middle of the Genius X filter, so make sure that it is washed out properly. Wipe down the tank, including the lower section where the Genius X filter connects. Replace your Genius X filter. Replace your strainer pan. Other areas to watch for are the insides of the hood track and behind the main wash manifold. Once finished, replace your rack support and leave the machine open to air dry overnight.